Tamil Stotra, Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, verse number 25. Title: You are only Buddha, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. बुद्धस्त्वमेव विबुधार्चितबुद्धिबोधात् त्वं शङ्करोऽसि भुवनत्रयशङ्करत्वात् धातासि धीरशिवमार्गविधेर्विधानात् व्यक्तं त्वमेव भगवन् पुरुषोत्तमोऽसि. Time to look at the prose order of this verse number 25. It starts from word Buddha. त्वम् एव विबुध अर्चित बुद्धिबोधात्. Here Buddha, that means Buddha, the famous god in general public. Tvam, that means you are here only. Vibud Archit, here Vibud means celestials. Archit, that means worshipable, or can say worshipable by celestials. Buddhi Bodhat, it's being omniscient, or as you attained omniscient knowledge, Keval Gyan, that's why you are only Buddha. Next line is Tvam Shankara Asi Bhuvanatraye Shankaratvat. Tum, that means you. Asi are. Shankar Bhuvanatraya, in all the three worlds. Shankaratvat, that means being pleasure provider. Here Sham, that means pleasure, and Kalaha, its provider. The one who provides pleasure is only Shankar. You provide us pleasure, that's why you are only Shankar. Next one is Dhatasi Dhir Shiv Marg Vidhe Vidhanat. Here Dhata Si, that means you are only Brahma, BRAHMA, Brahma. Dhir, that means O, patient. Shiv Marg, its path to salvation, liberation, or can say emancipation. Videhe Vidhanat, due to letting us the way or procedure that how to attain the path of liberation. And the last line of this verse number 25 is Vyaktam Tvam Eva Bhagavan Purushottam Asi. Purushottama Asi. Here Vyaktam, that means very clearly. Tvam, it's Tvam Eva, you are only Bhagavan, O Lord. Purushottam, it's best amongst humans. and Asi, that means are. It's you are only the best amongst humans. You are only Vishnu. Now look at the complete meaning of this verse number 25, taking the help of chart. I have to run this just because I am in need of space. Here talking of four names, four characters. First one is Buddha. That means you are only Buddha. You are only Brahma. You are only Vishnu, and you are only Mahesh. You are only Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and Buddha too. Why are you Buddha? Just because of Chu, that is, here I am writing Buddhas Twamev. Buddha Twamev, you are only Buddha. Why so? Just because of Buddhi, Bodhat, Vibudharchit, Buddhi, Bodhat, and you are here addressing by word Vibudharchit. Now look here. Just pay attention to this draw. Here you are only Buddha just because you are worshipped by celestials and you attain the omniscient knowledge, and because of these two all call you as Buddha. Now come to Brahma. First of all, here addressing by word Dhir, that means O patient, the one having high patience level. Dhatasi, Dhatasi, that means you are only Vidhata, you are only Brahma. Why it is so? It is just because Shiva Marga Vidher Vidhana, that means you told us the way to path to liberation or the path to salvation. That's why you are only Brahma. Vishnu. Talking of Vishnu here, again here addressing by word Bhagwan. O Lord, Purushottamasi. Purushottamasi, that means you are only Purushottam, you are only the best amongst humans. Why so? And it is very clear. Vyaktamev. It is very clear that you are only best amongst humans. That's why all call you as Vishnu here. Now Mahesh, you are only Shankar here. Tom Shankar Rosi, that means you are only Shankar. Why so? Just because Bhuva Natray Shankar Ratvat, just because to all the three words you provide the pleasure. That's why you are only Mahesh, or can say Shankar. Now look at the complete meaning of this verse number 25. O one worshipped by O one worshipped by celestials, in real you are only Buddha, as Gandharvas and celestials adores your omniscience. Just that's why we called you as Buddha, being pleasure provider for all the residers of the three worlds. You are only Shankar. O patient, you only showed the path to salvation. Thus, you are only Brahma, and O Lord, being the best amongst all, you are only Purushottam, or can say Vishnu. Now, you are only Buddha, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, the names of God which are very much famous or popular in between non-Jaina adherents. Look at the text of this verse number 25. This is the end of verse number 25.